Hello guys, I'm Aman Khanna and today we'll go through a utility that I have created using Jupyter Notebook to predict your future chess rating on a website Lichess. So let's start with the walkthrough. Let's load up the Jupyter Notebook. So what we have done over here is we have used API calls to get your chess rating at different intervals of time. So suppose I have played chess games of the particular format on 1st August, 2nd August and 4th August. So this API call will retrieve all the rating points on 1st, 2nd and 4th August. It won't do it for 3rd August because no game has been played on that day and rating obviously wouldn't have changed. So let's get started. So we will require a username obviously and the format, the time format which is bullet, blitz or classical. And we'll use polynomial regression to see which one fits the best and we'll use it to predict the rating in the future. So let's get started. It's running. So it'll ask a username. So let me enter my username, my Lichess username, and I will select the bullet chess format. So let's fetch the data. So what this does is it will store this data in a CSV format, which will come over here. So let's refresh if it's here. So it's still fetching. Let's give it some time because I've played a lot of chess games. As you can see, 845 rating data points. So this is stored in this particular format, HS bullet ratings. This should be available here. Let's go ahead and do the pre-processing step now. Done. This many training points, this many testing points. And I have created the account on this date. And the last game I played was today. This is the rating range. Let's do the polynomial, yeah, regression model training and see which one should we use. So we have done till degree 5. As you can see, the best fit is going to be degree 1. That's interesting. Okay, let's revert. So let's go ahead and do the visualization. As you can see, this is my rating currently. This is the same graph that you will see on my Lichess profile as well. Let's see. All-time graph. As you can see, this is the graph and pretty similar graph. This is from 2021. So let's see. Yep, pretty same. Now, as you can see, if it predicts using a linear regression, the rating is going to be 2781. Okay, not bad. Now let's see if I want to get a rating for a particular date. So let's see, I want the target date to be New Year next year. Let's see predict rating. Okay, 2738, not bad. Suppose I want to reach the rating 2900. I have never achieved that. So let's see how long will it take for me to reach it. It may take more than 1 year. Okay, let's do 2800 then. Let's see. It's just still gonna take more than 1 year. That's okay. Let's say 2750. Okay, we'll achieve it on 3rd April 2026. Not bad. Let's do a different time format so that it's not linear again. Let us go ahead and put my username here. Let's select Blitz. This will run all these cells. Still fetching. So many data points. Blitz reading looks something like this. Should get a graph like this. Okay, 2101 to 2515. 2101 was probably this point, and 2505 or 2515 was, yeah, this point. So the range is perfect. Let's run. These are the data points 431. And the last Blitz game was yesterday, no game played today. Then we again have this is again getting a linear. That's interesting. So Okay, that's a pretty interesting. Oh, it thinks it is going like this 2300. That's how it's predicting this particular line. As you can see, these are the data points are very few in this compared to the bullet. Too many games have been played in the bullet format. Let's try running bullet once again. If we get any other regression model, let's the data again. It should not ideally, but let's use some of my friend's ID. Let's go ahead and see this. He's my friend. Let's copy this ID and let's see his let's this will also give a linear regression most likely. So let's see if any other, this may not be linear regression. We'll try this one. Let's go ahead and paste it. Let's bullet data. We'll make an API call and get all these data points one by one. Okay. From what I have seen is most likely you are going to get first or third polynomial degree because obviously it can't be parabolic. Third is something which is most likely to happen. Then let's run all these cells. Okay, that was pretty quick. Again, first degree polynomial. This is the rating. Yep, pretty similar graph. And we can use our widgets to see if we are what rating are we going to achieve on next new year 2007. Let's say 2474 whenever I reach more than 1 year. 2400 more than 1 year. Okay, let's try 2350. Already achieved a surpass this rating, really good. Say 2670. That's interesting because it is predicting such a trend, very slow upward trend. Not bad. So this is it about the Lichess Rating Prediction that I've created. You can use your usernames as well, and this is live on GitHub. You can check it out over here. Chess Rating Prediction. It's public repository. You can check it out and see where you will land, where your rating will land after a couple of days, months, or years. So that was it about Lichess Rating Prediction. Please let me know any improvements, feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you.